Bay 20,000 cents to see how to Billy read aloud. Yeah, so we know she was there with him for his day. In the trailer, he's a nose too. She's a nose too. She asked the question that wasn't really good question. So yeah, then this guy, oh, you guys can also. They tried to talk to Alicia, like, oh, it was like the dog around and stuff. Flip-a-wama. It's like yeah, so guys, chapter 2, mini jail. Meanwhile, hi Piggy, hi, how's it going? Did you guys get my secret escape plans? Yeah. Well, did you study them? Well, we don't wanna escape from mini jail, Piggy. What this is, but we like it here, Piggy. Yeah, we like working in the cafeteria. Look at the yummy cupcakes we baked. Wanna try one? No, I don't wanna try a cupcake. I'm not hungry. I'm not even hungry anymore. You guys lose my appetite. How could you be so selfish? Move over. Oh, Piggy, can I have one of your? No! I only have 7 left. Do you want me to starve to death? No. Selfish. Hey Piggy, you've got a visitor. Daily. It's about time. Hey! Sweet. Peel. Nom. Hiya, Piggy. Well, did you bring it? Aren't you even going to say hello? Hello, Daily. Did you bring that candle? No. No, why not? They don't make it anymore. The factory was destroyed. But I bought you something even better. Wait. What's this? It's your costume. Costume what for? For our club, Piggy. Don't you remember the friendly friends? I just recorded 2 new members. And I figured if we're gonna be superheroes, we're gonna need costumes. These are the most ridiculous costumes I've ever seen. They look like baby clothes. Who would be dumb enough to wear something like this? Hiya, Piggy. Sup. Well, look, we touched Piggy. Oh, with suddenly power. Chapter 3, helping Papa. Okay, that's the watch for today. Actually, no, we're gonna wait a little bit. Chapter 3. Oh, we've got a lot of work to do because sorry guys. So I don't want you to play. Why? Because you've got to build a lab. Why? Because I need a place to live. Why? Because I can't keep living at Dogman's house. Why? Because you guys are so... why? Because you're noisy. You're messy. And you think everything is so... Why? Because you cut that out. Why? Are you just going to be a wise guy all day? Yeah, probably. Well, that's just great. You promised to be good today. You begged to come with me. You sure you'd be helpful. But we haven't even started, and you're already being a big pain. I'm sorry, Papa. This is not playtime. And that goes to you too. No playing. Hi guys. Do you want to play? Okay. Let's go. Flip, flop. Go. It's no use. It's no use. I can't get this ridiculous shit off. I think Piggy needs all help. How about a friendly friend hug? Oh, how sweet. Let go of me. If you sweet bug brains want to help, then get my escape plans, study them, and boom. Boom. What's happening? Whoa. It's an oath. Ooh. The walls are crumbling. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Bye, Cotton. So long, Bob. What could be casing this human's collapse? Chapter 4. Bad Mr. Stink. That's all we are today. Tomorrow we didn't look. Bye tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. Let's subscribe. Please,